Hey, so what's going on, guys? Back here with Driven Tech Reviews, and welcome back to another video. So I know I've never made a video in a while, but today I'm going to be giving you guys an update on the E39, which I just took back from the workshop. Let me show you guys what went wrong and give you guys an update. Alright guys, so I've honestly been really enjoying my ownership of the E39. Of course, it is a love-hate relationship, but the reason why it just came back from the workshop is that I actually had an issue with the water pump. So it's a common problem for E39s, or basically M54 engine in general. So what happened was I had some kind of a, I would say, gurgling sound when I was driving and idling. So I realized that this fan right here, this clutch fan, because I haven't upgraded it yet, was actually wobbling. So it's wobbling quite bad. So I actually took it to the mechanic, the workshop, to actually get this diagnosed. And they found out it was actually the water pump on its way out. So it's a good thing that this was addressed early, because if not, it would have been a lot way worse, because it would have ripped out the radiator, damaged up some stuff in the engine, as many of the users have actually been through. I've read on forums before. So I actually got the water pump replaced. I also flushed the whole cooling system and put original BMW blue coolant. So yeah, just to make sure everything runs great. So far I've been using it. In fact, I just took it back the last hour or so, and everything has been on point. So far this car has been really good. All the leaks have been fixed. There is a leak developing on the valve cover gasket, which I'll be addressing probably next month or so. Other than that, this car is actually gold. Everything has been nice. The ride has been really nice. I've actually fixed the rear door right here. The car is currently locked. Just get it unlocked. You can see right here, earlier this door had some issues with the lock right here. You can see right here, now opens with no issues at all. Really nice. So I did that myself. I actually stripped out the interior of the door, and actually found the reason why, because there was the bushing which had dropped somehow. I don't know how, but it dropped out and I couldn't find it. So basically I replaced it, and then the door is all good to go. So now remaining things which I want to address in this car is actually this part right here. You can see this part is actually opening up, which is a very small thing. You just need to get the clip and it's all good to go. And other than that, you see the car is still mint. Same condition as I showed you in the previous video. So hopefully everything goes well, because I do want to get the exhaust done on this car. I do want to actually delete the muffler and get this fake exhaust tip out the way, and probably do like an AC Schnitzer lip and stuff like that. Get this spoiler removed, because this is such an eyesore, honestly, with the M5 badge, because it's not an M5. Stuff like that, which I do have to tweak in the next couple of months. Alright, so guys, this has been a quick update on the ownership of this car. I've been really enjoying this car. I think it's a great purchase. If you have money, definitely do buy one of these and keep it. You will definitely be going up in value, because this is certified BMW Classic, modern classic. So definitely the prices are going to be soaring in the next couple of years or so. So right now the prices I had at is like really low, it's lowest, and it's I think it's a great time to invest in the E39. Alright guys, so before I end this video, I would like to give a big shout out to Formula A in USJ 19. Taufik, boss, you're the man. He got my car done overnight. In fact, he took on the job even though he had a lot of cars. So I actually did send this car in yesterday afternoon, evening-ish, and he told me he would try to get it done the next day, which is today. And despite having a lot of cars, he just handled it superbly. Job was well done. Definitely recommend them if you own a BMW, because they are a BMW specialist. They will get your car fixed. So that's all for this video, guys. If you did like this video, do give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more content just like this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.